What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me again on another episode. I just want to say thanks for all the love and support you guys been showing. Make sure you go subscribe, share, like, and comment. Alright, I gotta go to work, so we're gonna make this video really quick. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back, everyone. So usually you go to the bar, you see various types of mules, Moscow mules, all different types of mules on the menu. So today I'm gonna bring out the Jamaican in me, and we're gonna make some Jamaican watermelon mule. Alright, so today you're gonna need a mixer. If you don't have one, you can always use a blender. We got a watermelon here. We got a bigger ginger beer soda. This is gonna make it so amazing. And we got our white overproof rum. We got some watermelon vodka. I got a shaker, we got your glass, and some ice. Last but not least, one lime. First, what we want to do is make a base on our watermelon. So we're gonna cut the bottom off. Yeah, so watermelon can sit flat. And we're gonna do the same thing to the top. With top, we're gonna cut it a little bit deeper. Alright, so the best way for it not to be too messy is to put your watermelon inside a bowl. Alright, make sure it sits flat inside the bowl. You're just going to want to put your hand mixer in. Start. Alright, so we got a little messy, but who cares? Alright, so now that we're done getting all the juice out of our watermelon, just want to go ahead and pour it into a strainer. We're going to save this so we can put our juice back in there. Alright, so you want to strain it again just so that you get out all the seeds. You don't want any seeds in your drink. Alright, so now all we got is pure watermelon juice. So now add your 1 lime juice. Just stir that in. And then we're just gonna put enough for 1 serving, probably like about a cup, in our shaker. We're gonna put some ice. Alright, so now we got some watermelon juice inside our shaker. We got our glass filled with ice. And now we're gonna add 1.5 ounce of watermelon vodka and 1 ounce of white rum. Alright, and we're just gonna go to town and shake. Alright. Strain this off now. And then we just want to top it off with our ginger beer. Alright. So now finish it off with a piece of mint and watermelon. Now there you have it, all done. Delicious.